you can see the amount of his biryani is really generous. Potato is a bit raw. So guys, we are with the owner of Gaussian Ali Biryani, Saqib Bhai. Gaussian Ali Biryani! Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, this is your boy Sneaky Sane here. I've been getting a lot of comments in my previous video to try Karachi's most favorite and famous biryani spots. So here are all the 5 spots I'm gonna try. I searched from ChatGPT, also did my own research, and now let's try these 5 famous spots. Let's go. And also, wait, if you like this t-shirt, make sure to get it from Sneaky Wears. This is my own brand. If you like it, please buy it. Let's go. So guys, our first stop is Double A Pakwan Center. Okay, so let's try their chicken biryani. They give me generous amount of chicken. So let's see. Ooh. Bismillah. Their rice are super tasty, but that chicken, it needs to be, it's looking still a little bit raw. I have to chew it very hardly. Otherwise, it would be really good. But the chicken is really hard, Hamza. So maybe the rice is perfect, but the chicken. But what can I say? Anyways, I'm not gonna rate it right now. I'm gonna rate it. Sorry, I'm gonna rate it at the end of the video together with all of the biryani shops. Oh, sorry, all of the biryani restaurants. So Hamza, it's your turn. Try it. So basically, I like the potato in biryani. I don't prefer chicken that much, but let's give it a try. I totally agree with Bhai that the chicken is a bit raw. It's a lot of chewing for it. Otherwise, the rice, the spice is so delicious. Maybe it's raw or maybe overcooked. There's any one reason. I have to chew a lot. That's the thing, which I don't like. Otherwise, the biryani is tasty. The rice is so tasty. Next up, we have Rashid Biryani. Okay, so guys, this is Rashid Biryani, and first of all, let's check its chicken. Okay, the chicken looks good. Okay, see, this is called chicken. How? Sorry. See, it's breaking really nicely. Bismillah. Mm, it's so delicious. Very spicy. Really spicy. Well, it depends on you. If you want to get spicy or normal, I prefer spicy, so this is spicy and it's so good. Alright, so again, I want to check the potato first. Potato is a bit raw. I could feel it from the spoon. Yeah, the potato is raw, bro. It is quite spicy. Spicier than double A. Yeah, and the potato is not for me. I like the rice. So guys, it was time for Maghrib Namaz. I and Hamza offered the Salah, and then we begin our journey again. Well guys, now we are here at Allah Wala Biryani. Let's go. Okay guys, I don't know if you can really hear me because over here it's too much crowded. And if you can't hear me, I'm gonna do voiceover later. Anyways, you can see the amount of his biryani is really generous. So Allah wala really generous amount, huh? So first of all, the chicken. The chicken looks good, tender. See, it's tender. Hamza, show, come here. See, it's really tender. Like, see. Now the main thing is let's test it if it's tasty or not. I asked for a spicy biryani, but he's saying he brought this. I said I need more spicier. I need a spicier, and he said no, this is spicy enough. If you won't like it, then I'm gonna get you another plate. So let's try it. Bismillah. Okay, I had Allah Wala before, I guess in Kumari, but this one is different. To be honest, no, it's really oily. I can feel the oil. It looks like the fat, but this is not beef. Otherwise, I could say the fat is in it. But I don't know why I feel the really slimy texture in my mouth. It's very oily. All right, so my turn. It's not that good. They definitely changed the chef. I'm sure. Alright guys, apparently the owner is sitting beside me. He asked me whether the biryani was tasty or not. I gave him my honest reviews. So as I told you, he said if you won't like this one, he's gonna get me spicier one. So I'm waiting for my spicy biryani. So let's try if it's worth it. One more chance for you, Allah Allah. Thank you. Jazakallah. Now hopefully this is gonna burn my intestine. I hope so. Because I love it spicy, right? So once again, let's try it and hope this is worth it. Okay, the chicken is no doubt really tender and juicy. This is what I was craving for. It's so yummy. But still, it's oily. Like, if you are on a diet or something, I won't recommend you to eat this biryani. But as for that one biryani and now which you brought, this one is tastier. At this point, I and Hamza were really tired of eating biryani. Who gets tired of eating biryani? But the thing was, we were so full. So that's why we had a chocolate to help us out. Now we are here at the most famous stop, Wasianali Biryani. So guys, this is the Nalli Biryani. Ooh, that's how you do it. Buttery.
Ossia Nalli biryani, Ossia bone marrow biryani.
Ooh, no scam, proper bone marrow.
It's a hollow.
It's hollow.
Ossia Nalli biryani and bone marrow.
No scam, real bone marrow. Thank you. Real. Okay, now let's try it. Obviously, I know it's gonna be so tasty, the bone marrow, which is necessary. And here it's the biryani. Bismillah. To be honest, it's amazing. I can't say anything else. It's too yummy. Hamza, you should try it.
Alright, so apparently I don't like milli, but I'm gonna just try the meat and the rice. It's too hot. I can feel the heat coming to my head.
Amazing, right?
I have no words.
Out of this world, I am flabbergasted.
So just tasting like a wow. So delicious.
So guys, we are with the owner of Gaussian Ali Biryani, Saqib bhai. वालेकुम सलाम। तो साकिब भाई, आपको कितना टाइम हो गया ये चलाते हुए?
सर ये बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, ये सब अल्लाह ताला की करम नवाजी है। होशियत अली बिरयानी, होशियत बीफ बिरयानी के नाम से हमारे वालिद साहब ने 1992 में स्टार्ट करी थी। 2017 में होशियत अली बिरयानी बनकर पूरी दुनिया में अल्लाह ताला ने इसको इंट्रोड्यूस कराया और आज पूरी दुनिया के अंदर ये चेंज ऑफ कल्चर बिरयानी, चेंज ऑफ कल्चर रेसिपी के तौर पे जानी जाती है, क्योंकि इसमें घी तेल नहीं डलता। नल्ली और गोश्त की यखनी से बनाते हैं, मोहब्बत के तड़के के साथ, अल्लाह के साथ जायका देती है। आप लोगों का प्यार गौसियन अली बिरयानी बनाता है और ये माशाल्लाह से वो खाना है जो फूड एंड हेल्थी है, जो सेहत के लिहाज से आप माशाल्लाह, आप क्या बच्चे, बूढ़े, जवान माशाल्लाह सब इंजॉय कर सकते हैं। ये वो खाना है जो माशाल्लाह से हमें अरोमा भी देता है, सेहत भी देता है और जायके की दुनिया में गुम कर देता है।
अच्छा, तो आप बताएं, ऐसा क्या जादू है आपकी बिरयानी में कि बाहर से लोग आके आपकी बिरयानी को खा रहे हैं?
सर ये जादू नहीं है, सब ये अल्लाह ताला की करम नवाजी है। हमारा जादू पे ईमान नहीं, हमें अल्लाह पे तवक्कल है। अल्लाह की साथ बरकतें रहमतें देती है।
जज़ाकल्लाह।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
So guys, the time has come to end the video, and you must be thinking we showed only 4 spots of biryani.
Yeah.
So the thing is that we went to 5 spots, but the Farhan biryani, we went there also, but they refused to entertain us. Entertain in the sense that when we went over there, they didn't allow us to make the video over there. Like I was trying to shoot
So it was
biryani.
basically useless.
Yeah,
if
then
we
I
would
said, if
make-
they're not entertaining us, then why should we even try their biryani?
Yeah.
So for me, biryani of, oh sorry, for me Farhan's biryani is on 0, although I didn't try it, neither Hamza did.
Yeah.
But you know, if you weren't treated well anywhere, so it's better not to
Also,
try.
the ambience was not good. It was not giving such a biryani vibe. The restaurant. And they didn't do like
Yeah.
I said
So,
the ambience. was
anyways,
not good.
so the ambience doesn't matter that much, but if the taste is
Yeah.
good, then it's fine. Khali wali. So yeah, so that's why it's on number 5. Okay, on number 4 we have
Number 4 we have double A.
double A.
Double A.
Okay, for me number 4 is Rashid biryani.
Okay, no, number 4 Rashid. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so number 4 Rashid
Because the
biryani.
Rashid biryani was tasty, but the potato, which
Yeah,
I
oh.
personally love potato in biryani, and there was no means. It was the potatoes were raw basically, and I like the potatoes which are soft and they're with
Oh yeah,
gooey
in
rice.
short, the potatoes weren't cooked well,
So-
so it's useless. I mean, it's not useless, but
So
the rice and
Rashid-
chicken was really good.
Yeah.
And on number 3 we
Number
have
3 we have double A. And double A, I like the potato was so
You know,
soft.
no, for me number 3 is not double A.
Why?
For me number 3 is Allah Wala.
But for me, number 3 is double A.
So we need one more person to
Okay, rock paper.
Cast
scissors.
a vote.
Rock paper scissors. Okay.
rock paper scissors shoot.
Okay. All right.
So
So
Allah Wala is
Allah
on
Wala
number
is
3.
on number three.
Number 2
2 is double A then.
and number
Okay.
1 is our Gaussian
Yeah.
biryani.
It was so
It
delicious.
was so delicious, to
It
be
was.
honest, and the owner was a really nice person,
was a down
and
to earth
also he
person.
didn't take any money
He didn't
from us.
charge us anything.
He
He
didn't
was
charge
saying you guys are our
anything.
guest.
He said
He
it's
said,
on the
"Come
house."
again."
Yeah.
Exactly.
He even took my number. He was a really he is a really nice guy. So well, tell us in the
Plus,
comments.
the waiters were also very
Okay,
nice.
yeah, the waiters were very nice
Yeah.
as well. And what I was saying, yeah, please tell us in the comments where should we go next.
Yeah, next part's gonna be Buns Road, but inshallah, as so many people
Yeah, just
commented
forget
and-
him. Not necessary. Go away. Okay. We will see. Allah Hafiz.